Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Range Rover Evoque and this is by Majorette from their premium car series. Okay, one thing you guys need to be aware is, so right now the prices are increased. This used to be 349 back then. I mean till last year I'm talking about. So now it is 399. So the price has increased and so see this is kind of the semi premium I can say, because after this Majorette actually has a deluxe series as well. So deluxe series comes with rubber tires, full metal casting and also that directly competes with Hot Wheels Premium for similar price range. So I think it was around 549 or around that range if I'm not wrong. I do have a couple of cars. Even we did unbox some Volkswagen some time back. I think around last month or so. So okay, so let's talk about this casting now. So one other thing I love about Majorette is this cards they give it along with the car. So let's open this and see how this one looks. Someone was actually asking me to unbox this when I actually did that shots back then. So I thought of unboxing it this week. Okay, let me just take this out. Put this here. Let me take this card out first, because if you know I actually put an album for these cards because it actually has cool detailing to it. I mean for 399 they are doing all these things. I know the price has increased now, but again still it is better in so many ways. Let me show you. So it has this cool picture to it, and on top of that it has the detailing of the actual car here. See, this is what I'm talking about. This is really nice to have for the price which we are paying. I mean, you don't need to go and do a Google search. You can just simply show this card so that everyone will be aware, whoever is watching this video, that what it actually has. So this is really nice. Okay, let me just put this card aside for a minute. Let's talk about the casting now. Okay, let me close this for a minute. Okay, so out of the box the casting looks absolutely beautiful, and again see it has some scratches here, you can see in the top, and a little bit of scratching here. So that is pretty common to most of the Majorettes because it is getting shaked inside that, I mean case, because it comes, you saw that blister, right? It actually holds that car instead of getting molded on top of the car like Hot Wheels does. So okay, let's talk about the good things now. So it has acrylic headlights, which is really nice, and so the Range Rover logo, that is really nice. It has rear view mirrors. The hood detailings are looking good, and so it has tail light details as well. So this is, let me close it really well. Okay, that is actually painted. That tail light details I'm talking about, that is painted. I don't think that is acrylic. Yeah, we need to open and see once again. But you can see the detailing here. You can see the Range Rover logo here, Land Rover logo here, Evoque logo here. Everything looks absolutely gorgeous, and you can see the exhaust detailing here. That is really nice, and it has chassis detailing as well. Maybe not so much, but it does have a little bit. It's good to have, and okay. So the body is fully metal, chassis is fully plastic, tires are plastic. It's not rubber. It's kind of semi premium actually. So the interior looks really nice. I mean, it has pure white, like pure transparent windshield. That is good, and even the interior is like this milky white kind of color. That is really nice, and it has openable part here. You can see that is actually cool. I can put my finger inside it. Yeah, I can put my finger inside it. Okay. So let me see. Yeah, so the tail lights are actually painted on top of metal, but it's really good to have. Okay. So let's do a suspension test. It does have suspension. You can see that very easily now. It has suspension. Let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 45 grams. That's really good. So, but I'm a bit skeptical on the Majorettes, when it comes to rolling. But let's see. Yeah, it doesn't roll really well. Okay, it doesn't create noise or anything. It is smooth. even though we did suspension test, the front wheel wobbles are very little, but not so much. Still, it rolls really good compared to even some Hot Wheels. In my if I may. So okay, let's rate this casting now. So I'm taking point 0.5 because of the wheel wobble a little bit and track performance. So nothing much, but I don't have anything else to say. I don't see any necessity to like reduce any points on top of that, because this is an absolutely gorgeous casting. And so it has every detailing. You can see the fuel cap here. That is really awesome. So again, guys, if you guys looking for a better alternative, and so this is like in between like 399. So usually like Hot Wheels semi premium, like that is around 299, and it has all details painted most of the time, and only few castings comes with the metal chassis as well. So compared to that, I would prefer this one because it always has acrylic headlights, and it has all the details. And I mean, scale wise, this is pretty good compared to Hot Wheels, and it has openable part as well for this price. So I would prefer this one personally, but rest is up to you, because I know there are a lot of people who are like fans of Hot Wheels, whether they are kids or even adults. So that's up to you guys. So personally, for me as an adult, I would prefer Majorette because of these reasons, because I need to have something which screams, this is worth your money. This is what it is. So again, this is my personal preference. For you, it might differ. Again, if you are asking my suggestion, I would say go with this one. If you are looking at premium Hot Wheels Land Rover, sorry, Range Rover, and along with this side by side, my personal preference, my pick would be this one, because again, this has everything which I am looking for. So maybe your choice might differ. Maybe if you might have like Hot Wheels as a brand so much, or you might like painted details everywhere. That's up to you. So this is all me in this case. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.